I'm pulling the information from your assignment page in Canvas. So here I go. The first thing I want to do, people, please pay attention. I'm going back to sophomores, and I'm going to right here. Okay, this is the one you're going to be pulling down first, people. I will click on it and I am going to download it. Okay, I'm going to open it from this point and I should get a nice blank screen. Ladies, please be quiet. Thank you. I know how to do this. I don't need to go over it. Okay. Now I'm going to enlarge my screen. I have a white screen, which I prefer you work on. This is going to be set up in, let's go to the units. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Go back up there. Utilities, units, decimal, and it's set up in centimeters. That's what we're working with. That's what those numbers on that sheet are, centimeters. So I am going to start. Let me pull one of these sheets up so you can see it. I am going to start, let's see. I'll go down there. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Up, 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 up. So I'm going to, this is my ultimate goal, people. This is what you will be submitting into me, into your canvas. So I am going to start at the lower left or lower right of the drawing. And I am going to pick my polyline. I'm going to start here. Make sure ortho is on. Ortho needs to be on. I'm going to type in my first dimension, which is 1482.7. Does everybody see that on their drawing that they're holding? They don't have it, I'm sure. So there's the first line. Now I'm going to draw my next line. I'm going to go up 469.5. Then I'm going over 273.3. Enter. Then I'm going up 280. I'm going over, let's see, 1756. Enter. Then I'm going down. Uh-oh. I can't see that number. Hold on. Everybody just chill for a second. Everybody just chill. You taking a picture of it? I can't see that dimension. I am going to measure it. Hold on. 31.6. Okay, I'm going back over here and I'm going down 31.6. 31.6. Why are you taking pictures? I don't know, 56.6. Then down again, 159. I feel like a celebrity that you're taking pictures. All right, then I'm going down 372.7, enter. And then I'm going over to the same distance as this particular wall. Watch what I do. I click. Then I'm going down 159.4, enter. Then I'm going over 58. Let's see, 56 point whatever that is, 56.6, and then I'm closing. Boom. All right, now I'm going to select these and join them, and that is usually a modify command, and it's usually one of these here. Let's see, modify, join, lengthen. There's join. Click. So now they are all, oops, I didn't hit those. Join those again. Click. Now it's all one polyline. See that? Nice. I'm going to move it over out of the way so it's not sitting by the axis. And I'm going to go to offset. And I'm going to type in 15 centimeters because that is the thickness of the outside wall. 15, enter, pick the wall itself, go inside, and then click. There, I've created my first set of lines all the way around, which indicates the actual wall. So now I'm going to come over here and start putting in the lines that are on the plan. Okay, now there's a door over here that's shown. Okay, this is called, what I'm doing right now is called an as-built drawing, meaning these are the conditions that are existing. I'm going to bring this over. There's my door. I'm going to put the door in. Beautiful. Look at that. Now I want to trim this out. The only way I can trim that out is to put a rectangle in, but there's a problem. The window, let's see. It's not going all the way over like I wanted it to. There, and then I'm going to trim. Boom. There's my door. Okay. Now I got to put the other walls that are over here. It's 15 feet. Let's see. I'm going to draw the wall that separates the two spaces. So it goes up 328.4. We're going to go from the bottom, 328.4. Enter, and then I go all the way across. I'm going to go all the way across to there. Now this wall changes direction at a point, but I don't care at this point. I'm going to put in another wall from here, and I'm going over 325.1. There it is. So then I'm going up. Let's see. I'm going to go up 131.2. Enter. And then I'm going over 172.7. Enter. And then I'm going to go up to there. Boom. Boom. Then there's another wall here, which is 142 centimeters. And it goes up to there. And I'm going to trim this out of the way. And now I'm going to continue this wall this way. in this direction. Just leave it out there for now. And now I can offset 15. I'm going to offset that. I'm going to offset that. I'm going to offset that. Offset that. Boom. Look at that. So now I'm starting to clean up my walls. Is everybody watching? Okay, so there I'm doing the trim again. All right, so now I got to put another wall over here somewhere, and that's 297.2. So I'm going to go from here, 297.2, enter, and down. Beautiful. And now I'll do the same thing with this. I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to get rid of that because I don't want it to offset twice. And I'm going to offset 15 to there. And then I have the same thing, 187. I'm going to copy this 187.8 over. Boom. Got another room already set. So now this is where this wall actually ends, right here. So I will then draw something very similar to this. Hold on. I want it to be at 45 degrees, and I'm going to do it right there. Okay. And then I'll trim it, trim that off. Okie dokie. I'll trim this off. And I have, let's see, I have closets that I have to put up here. They go out 83.8. I'm going to go out 83. Make sure ortho is on. 83.8. Enter and back over. And I'm going to close that like that. Offset again, 15 inside. Boom. All right. Everything's a boom. We go zoom in over here. We can trim these out. Okay, we can trim this out. Trim this out, trim this out. So all the walls look nice and clean. Now I'm going to put another door in over here, according to the plan. Now, if I click on that, people, I can change the direction of the swing. See how I did that? Now I'm going to move this down to here. And I am going to put a rectangle right here. So now I can trim this out. Boom. There I go. I got a nice closet there. And I think I have another closet over here as well. So I'm going to put this to here, perpendicular to there. And I'll go from there to there. And I'll trim. Trim. Whoops. Okay, got another closet. So what I'll do is instead of bringing in another door, I can just copy it from there and put it right there. Boom. And trim it. There you go. Now you can also change the direction, the opening as well. You can turn it into a 90-degree opening if you like the way that looks. That's totally up to you. Okay, now the next thing is we have what is going on? We got this, we got this. Oh, we have something over here. That's right. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, that's actually up further. Okay, so I made a boo-boo, and I'm going to stretch. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, enter, and stretch it up. See how I did that? Now I'm going to, let's see, I am going to move this line. I have to move that line up to help me extend that out. Okay, so now I have that. I am going to try to, let's see if I could fillet this. I'm going to fillet this line with that line. No, I can't. That's upsetting. All right, so I'm going to copy this and bring it down on an angle, just like so. Okie dokie. All right, and now I can copy it again. I'll make 15 my number. Okay, now I should be able to fillet this and that, fillet this and that. Okay, and then I'm going to fillet this and that, fillet this and that. Boom. Easy done. Easy done. I'm going to now stretch this so I can close these lines up. You just have to click on it and then grab it and stretch it. And I am going to again make a copy of the door. Make one copy and I will put it over here just like so. And again, trim. Okay. Now I need to put in some doors over here. There's a window that you have to put in right here. You're going to be putting a window in at 140 centimeters close. Boom. Once that's in, you put another line in there to indicate that it's a window. You're going to trim this. All right. You're putting another door in. I'm going to go over here, get me a door, and I will put it in right there. I'm going to change the swing to that. You can also make this a smaller door by stretching it. Since this is a bathroom, we want a smaller door. And I will go from there to there. And I will trim. So now I have my bathroom laid out. Again, I'm not showing anything other than the fact that the doors and the windows are there. And I'm going to take this, copy, take that from there, bring it and put it right here. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this. I'm shortening this because I don't need it that big, and I'm going to erase that. Erase whatever in there. I think there's stuff in there, and I'm going to mirror this. Click mirror. After I've clicked the object, click that point and make sure ortho is on, and drag your cursor out to the right. Click and hit enter, and I've mirrored it. Again, trim. Okay. Very easily done, I would say. I'm going to copy that because I'm putting a door right there. And I'm going to put a door on the opposite side, so I'm mirroring it over to here. So watch, boom, there. I drag it up, then click, hit enter, hit that. These two, trim, boom. Let's see. Do I got that? I got that. I got that. This stays closed up. I got a door here. This is called the existing conditions, people. In the world of architecture, design, interior design, engineering, they go out and they collect the existing conditions first. then they work off of that. And that's what we're doing here. So we've now collected the data. All right, I'm going to clean this up. The only thing I'm missing here is the front door. So I will take a copy of this. All right, and move this to here, just like that. I'm going to switch the opening. Oopsie, sorry. Can't get in there to do that. Boom. All right, and then I'm going to trim again because you want to show that that is an opening. All right, so what I am going to label this is exactly what you're going to be doing with your existing conditions plan. You're going to label it first. Come over here, multi-text, put it in like that. Check up here. It says 25 for that. That's good. So you're going to say existing conditions. If I knew how to spell. All right. Just like so. Check. It stays there. You can move this down a little bit if you want. All right. So now what you're going to do is get your dimensions. And you don't have to go crazy. We're not going to go crazy on this, but I want you to give overall dimensions, just like this. It's already set up in the file that I gave you. So be sure to download it. Otherwise, you will not have the format of all the text and the dimensions. So here to here, oops, okay. And what we could do is give this dimension here. All right. So that's what you're going to be coming up with. All right. So now you have to make sure you go to sheet 1. Hold on. Sheet 1. It's not there, right? What do I do? Double click. It turns black all the way around. Zoom out. Oh, there with your mouse wheel. Zoom in. And there's your plan. Once you get it nice in the middle of the space, double click out here, and it is a actual drawing. And now you can go to your snip and take a snip. All right, make sure it's saved as a PNG. So going back to Canvas, that will be that will be now once you're done with that, ladies and gentlemen, okay, this is the ultimate goal here, is to have that done in SketchUp. So tomorrow I will go over that in SketchUp. All right. Meanwhile, you can do what you're going to do here is you're going to import the plan that you did here in AutoCAD into SketchUp. But do not do anything yet until I go over it, because then you're just going to get confused. All right. End of